I'm Amber and I'm one of the students at Henry Harvin. I've really enjoyed my time with my classmates and my professors. My professor is super amazing. She is super helpful. She is always suggesting how we can learn and enhance and grow our skills. And then, of course, whenever you decide to join us at Henry Harvin, you will be challenged. And I want you to know that embracing the challenge is part of the journey. So I'm currently enrolled in the data science program. I enjoy every part of it. I am upskilling myself with new softwares and new systems such as Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook, learning all of the different tools and options within the program. And in my process of understanding what is new in technology and how we can advance our progress and productivity, not just for personal growth, but for our career advancement, you will find that at Henry Harvin, they will give you so many examples and very helpful resources in which you can use. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.